Morning all. Today I present to my wonderful school. Group Scholar Almaki. And thanks a good thank you our teacher. Thanks to him we were able to succeed and evolve. Mr. Tariq Haji. The project is presented by Rania Marrah, Malak Rumi and Huda Fardan. We start inshallah today we are going to present to you a project on the average of the class of 2AC Group B. Today, I decided to present our own project which takes +1. Statistical Treatment. Student grades. The statistical tables grades 0. Effective 1. Cumulative workforce. Frequency 0.04. Cumulative frequency. Grades 2. Effective 1. Cumulative workforce 1 plus 1, 2. Frequency 0.04. Cumulative frequency 0.08. Grades 3. Effective 1. Cumulative workforce 2 plus 1, 3. Frequency 0.04. Cumulative frequency 0.12. Grades 5. Effective 1. Cumulative workforce 3 plus 1. Frequency 0.04. Cumulative frequency 0.16. The grade 7. Effective 1. Cumulative workforce 1 plus 4. Frequency 0.04. Cumulative frequency 0.2. Grades 8. Effective 1. Cumulative workforce 5 plus 1. Frequency 0.04. Cumulative frequency 0.24. The grades 9. Effective 1. Cumulative workforce 6 plus 1. Frequency 0 plus 04. Cumulative frequency 0.28. The grades 10. Effective 2. Cumulative workforce 7 plus 2, 9. Frequency 0.04. Cumulative frequency 0.32. The something for others. The average 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 13 plus 13 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20 on 25 equal 248 on 55 equal 9.92. The graphic. If you see the colored gray is a gratis, and color orange is a effective. Uh, so 2 grad equal 1 effective, and 3 grad equal 1 effective, and 4 equal 1 effective, and 5 equal 1 effective, and 7 equal 1 effective, and 9 equal 1 effective, and 10 equal 2 effective, and 11 equal 1 effective, and 12 equal 3 effective, and 13 equal 2 effective, 14 equal 3 effective, 15 equal 1 effective, 16 equal 3 effective, 18 equal 1 effective, sum 20. The students who do not exceed 1 to 5. The fact that students are not at some level does not mean that students are not at the level, or even that level are created in the school structure. In other words, the question of difference between students has always been of a fact. Cognitive heterogeneity has not created to prevail in classes, even if social heterogeneity and cultural heterogeneity have had status variable at school. But this fact has been managed in very different ways. Well, I was going back to intricacy of even Middle Ages. On the point, even everyone remembers that at university, the students who listened to the same masters had very different agents and come from diversified courses, say to last. Students who do not exceed 6 to 11. Research difficulty to learn mathematics interest in the several register amount which can set the sociocultural environment to students. Example: middle of students, the social process, parental expectation, objective, psychodomain relate to school, relation to mathematics. The neuropsychology domain studies dyslexia. For example, the domain of cognitive psychology, limitation in terms of information processing in referring to do memory working and long-term memory developed in digital thinking. The students who excited 11 to 20. Reaching out difficulties of learning in mathematics and understand a several register amount, which I can see sociocultural environment of the student. Example: middle of student live social versus parental expansion objective psychodomain reside. Example: the domain of cognitive psychology, limitation in terms of information processing, referring to the memory working on long-time memory development of digital thinking, or that mystery of developer a close privilege in the concept follows the shape of dedicates at the far in the interaction and play on dedicated system which batch relation in the class of pupils with a teacher and domain of mathematical knowledge aided in the field that a teacher action probably mark. Conclusion: what interesting The teacher and the student explain to him how the those in those them that interested the teacher is so interested a lecture better. What is going on in head? Points of views. For the vast majority of students, mathematics is interesting. 74% they are useful on other subjects. 84% they are useful in everyday life. 90 they are useful in money trusts. 18.7 under stress conditions who will straight dart to speech of a distant trade at 11 and 12 years old. In mathematics, certainly there are 27% of students left to find them boring, but it return 78% of students think that much can be found if you add that 71% of pupils declare that they like to mathematics and that less than 14% only the mathematics when they have the picture becomes almost too good. Let's keep or fail or good. Bill-based skill for mathematics stop there. Only 32% of students would like there to be more math lessons. 36% still six, but only 87 in fifth. Thank you. Not cards. Thank you very much. As the school is draws to a school, we want to tell you that you have been excellent teacher. Thank you for sharing your knowledge with us, for always being far in education and for always supporting and helping us. Thank you again from all your students.